Hi guys, so for this tutorial we'll be using this. You need the beading needle, then you'll be needing hook. I didn't have a necklace hook, so I'm going with this hook. I'm just working with what I have with me here. So you'll be needing your fishing line and also your cup chain. So let's get started, guys. The first thing to do is to measure your desired length. So for me, I'll be working with 15 inches. So you can choose length that works with you best, or use your favorite neck chain as a guide. I don't want it to be too long on my neck. I just want it to fit around my neck just fine. So we'll be needing just that. So I'm gonna put the rest away. All right, so you'll need to thread your needle. So for me, I have to change my needle to a bigger size because the fishing line I was working with was too thick. I think it's 0.4. You can use a more tinier fishing line to get a perfect result. So because the fishing line was too thick, so I have to use my soldering iron to solder it at that knotted part so that it won't loosen at the end of the day. I'll be placing a cardboard on my table so that the soldering iron won't leave a mark on my table. So I'm just going to solder the knotted parts together. The essence is just to secure the knot. So that's it. Knot is secured. The next step is to tie a knot around that first cup chain. Yeah, tie a knot, make it very tight. Then you attach your hook. So you attach one of the hook. It's kind of difficult to put in place because of the thickness of the fishing line, but yeah, I got it. So you do that like 2 to 3, 4 times. The hook has holes, so you use the holes to attach it to that unit of that cup chain. You attach to that smooth part, not the shiny part. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's so fine. Can you see? That is it. It's kind of bulging. I don't like it, but because of the thickness of the fishing line, I love it regardless. So the next time I'll be doing this, I'll be using a more tinier fishing line. You attach the second side of the hook to the other side of the cup chain. So I'll do that off camera and I will show you what I have afterwards. Like, I'm so loving this. Ta-da! Yeah, this is it. I so much love this. Let me couple it together, see how it looks. Yeah, this looks so fine. Don't mind the bulging side at the end. Wearing it on my mannequin, and look at this. This is so beautiful. See how shiny it is. Nobody's gonna know. They are not gonna know. So are you going to recreate this? Don't forget to tag me when you recreate this. I want to see your lovely recreation. I really love to wear this and show you what it looks like on my neck. Alright guys, so that's it guys. I would love to see your creation soon. Don't forget to tag me. Bye.